tuxedos right now in second and third.
Richards trying to split the difference there down the back straightaway, but he does not have the drive down the back straightaway. So right now, it is both Shepherds right now running in those second and third spots.
Right now, the 9 car of Logan Richards is taking care of the mosquito population over there in 1 and 2. A little bit of puff of smoke action out of the 9 car of Richards. Your current race leader, though, is that 27 of Hoover. Hoover going to slide up to the top middle side of the speedway, maintains the race lead. Right now, you've got 28 of Shepard and 43 of Shepard right now. Into 1 and 2, Dusty looks down to the bottom side as Logan Richards is picking up a big push. That left rear tire is just completely off the ground as he enters each corner. Look at that thing.
3 and 4 battle. Fifth is on. 1 and 2 right now. Most of the field keeping the gap here. Everybody just running their own race with 2 laps to go, or 1.5 to be exact. So the race leader comes through 3 and 4. He's going to see the white flag this time by Tyler Hoover. Picking up right where he left off last week with the battle for fifth and 4.
Pool floaty out there in turn 4 right now.
Oh.
Roll cage pool floaty. No harm, no foul. Into 3 and 4, Tyler Hoover looking for the checkered flag off the corner. He sees it out of the Titan machinery flag stand.